Welcome back, pedal people. Today we're going to talk about taking your bicycle on a ferry. Japan has two kinds of ferries, and today we're going to talk about the car and passenger ferry, because that's the one you can roll your bike on. The high-speed one, you have to have a box. So you go and buy a ticket for you and your bike. That's 2 tickets. Or if you have a box, it's free. Now let's walk down into the ferry and park your bike on the side. The nice man here will show you where to put it. Thanks, buddy. Okay, you're gonna park your bike here. And you just go upstairs and sit in the inside seating or the outdoor seating. Some ferries have Wi-Fi. They're really convenient. So you ride the ferry, you have a good time, and just before the ferry arrives, you'll hear a chime. That chime will be telling you it's time to go down and unsecure your bicycle. So you go down and get your bicycle, and when the ferry opens, you just walk off the ferry with your bicycle. How easy is that? So guys, come on, pedal people, give it a try. Thanks again, and good riding.